Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming and verifying your Google business profile. Do that now, not later. Once verified, make sure your NAP matches exactly across listings so search engines trust you. Next, choose the most specific primary category and add 5 to 10 high-quality photos and business hours. This improves click-throughs and local relevance. Finally, write a concise 1-2 sentence business description with top keywords and save changes so local signals begin updating immediately. Once your profile is live, optimize on-site elements so they align with local intent. You add local business schema to key pages and include exact address, geo-coordinates, and service areas. This helps rich results. Then build or refine location pages. Each needs unique content, hours, directions, and common FAQ that answers local queries. Make a habit to publish one targeted local blog per week that mentions the city and service terms. This fuels relevance and long-tail traffic. Now focus on off-site signals. Perform a citation audit and correct inconsistencies across the top 20 directories. Consistency prevents ranking drops. Ask satisfied customers for reviews using short links. Reply to every review, positive or negative, to show responsiveness. Then set up weekly monitoring for ranking and NAP drift. If rankings fall, recheck schema, citations, and recent site changes, and update key on-page content. If reviews slow, run a short review request campaign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.